copper.
Copper rainbow, whee! The idea is quite simple. We take the copper and we turn it into rainbow. Let's go! So let's start with the easy one. So we add a few pieces of copper into the test tube followed by some diluted nitric acid. The solution of copper 2 nitrate takes on a blue color as the copper is oxidized to copper 2 ions. You may have also noticed that a brown gas evolves during the experiment. The gas is called nitrogen dioxide and it's actually toxic, so just do not repeat the experiment at home. We diluted the solution with water and we're done with the blue color of the rainbow. Moving on, we added a bit of copper 2 sulfate to the test tube. Upon the addition of hydrochloric acid, the solution takes on a green color due to the formation of a complex called tetrachloridocuprate. And that's that for the green part. So let's move on to making the violet color. Once again, we start by making a solution of copper 2 sulfate, then we added some concentrated ammonia solution, and immediately a deep dark blue layer is formed. This phenomenon is due to the formation of tetraamine copper sulfate in the solution. In between the two colors, there is a layer of copper 2 hydroxide, which prevents the mixing of the two colors. But with only a bit of shaking, the solid redissolves to form a complex. And that's that for the violet part. With the easy ones taken care of, let's move on to the trickier ones. So we first prepared some copper 2 sulfate solution and added an excess amount of sodium hydroxide to precipitate out copper hydroxide. Under heating, we added a bit of 5R1S12 dihydroxy ethyl 3,4-dihydroxyfuran 2 5HO, well you know, vitamin C, to the solution gradually. Throughout the addition, the solution takes on a series of colors as the vitamin C reduces the blue copper 2 hydroxide to red copper 1 oxide. We stop the addition until the solution turns yellow. Then we filtered off the solution to obtain the precipitate. Water was added to the precipitate to make this beautiful yellow mixture. Fourth one done, and 2 more to go. Into the copper 2 sulfate solution, some sodium metabisulfite solution was added, turning the solution emerald. A portion of it was transferred to a boiling tube and heated gently for about half a minute. Copper 1 and 2 sulfide dihydrate, also known as the Chevreul salt, is produced upon heating. This is quite a special salt as it contains both copper 1 and 2 ions in it. With that being done, there's only one color left: orange.